As the global solar energy transition accelerates, deserts, Gobi, and wasteland regions, representing 25% of the Earth's land, offer immense potential, alongside extreme challenges. Dust reduces yield, sand erodes surfaces, wind threatens structural integrity, and heat impairs performance. At JA Solar, we confronted a critical question. How can solar not only survive, but truly thrive under these conditions? The answer is DesertBlue, a module purpose-built with 4 core innovations to master these environments. First, self-cleaning capability. Our advanced coating with micro-nanostructure and anti-static properties minimizes dust accumulation, enabling natural cleaning by wind and ensuring superior energy yield compared to regular modules. Second, extreme abrasion resistance. With a surface hardness of 7H, significantly higher than the 3H of regular modules, the specialized coating extends the module's functional lifespan by 3 to 5 years, ensuring lasting performance even in severely abrasive environments. Third, excellent structural resilience. The high-strength steel frame provides 60% greater load capacity, rated at 6,000 Pascal front and 4,000 Pascals back, delivering unmatched reliability under high wind and thermal cycling. Fourth, superior high-temperature performance, featuring a low-temperature coefficient of -0.278% per degree Celsius. DesertBlue ensures stable output under extreme heat where regular modules decline. Certified by TÜV Rheinland as the world's first PV module specifically for desert, Gobi, and wasteland applications, DesertBlue proves itself in the field tests. It achieved 4.49% higher generation in China's Ulan desert and 7.09 gains in high dust simulations. It is now deployed globally from the Middle East to South America. With DesertBlue, JA Solar is committed to working with partners worldwide to fully unlock the solar potential of deserts, Gobi, and wastelands, and lead the transition towards a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable energy future.